In this tutorial, I'll show you how to make trading even easier. TradingView shortcuts and keyboard shortcuts. By the end, you'll confidently use essential TradingView keyboard shortcuts for navigation, saving and zooming, place orders with trading shortcuts, and switch drawing tools without breaking your workflow. First, with a chart open in TradingView, use the essential TradingView shortcuts. Press Ctrl+K on Windows or Linux, or Command+K on Mac to open the search or symbol box. Type a ticker, then press Enter to load it. Next, press Alt+T to toggle drawings. This shows or hides all your chart drawings in one step, which is helpful before sharing screenshots or decluttering the view. Now, use Undo and Redo. Press Ctrl+Z to undo your last change, and Ctrl+Y to redo it. Watch the chart as each press steps backward or forward through your recent actions. Save and load your chart layout from here. Press Ctrl+S to save your current chart. You'll see a quick save notification. Then press the period key to load a chart layout. This lets you quickly bring back a saved setup. To control the view, press Ctrl+Up arrow to zoom in and Ctrl+Down arrow to zoom out. Each tap adjusts the zoom level while keeping your focus point centered. For vertical scrolling on the price axis, hold Shift and use your mouse scroll wheel. This moves the price scale up or down without changing the zoom, letting you recenter the action on the screen. Now move to the trading and order shortcuts. These place orders quickly, so proceed carefully, especially if you're connected to a live broker. Press Shift+T to open or close the order panel. You'll see it slide in or out on the right side of the chart. To submit a buy market order instantly, press Shift+B. Watch for the order on the chart or in the positions panel. To submit a sell market order, press Shift+S. Depending on your settings, you may see an order confirmation. If not, the order will be sent immediately. For limit orders, press Shift+Alt+B to place a limit buy order. The order will appear below the current price at the default offset, which you can drag to the exact level you want. To place a limit sell order, press Shift+Alt+S. That will place it above the current price, and you can drag it to your preferred level. If at any point you need to adjust or cancel, click the order line on the chart and use the visible controls. So at this point, you've covered navigation and trading. Now switch to drawing and tools. Press Alt+C to activate the crosshair. Move the cursor to read exact price and time values on the axis as you hover over candles. Press Alt+D to switch to the dot cursor. This simplifies the pointer and reduces distraction when you're reviewing price action closely. Press Alt+E to use the eraser. Click on drawings you no longer need to remove them quickly. This is useful after marking up levels or notes you no longer want to keep. Finally, press Alt+T to select the trend line tool. Click once on the starting point, move to the second point, and click again to place the line. If your Alt+T currently toggles drawings instead of selecting the trend line, that behavior depends on your current tool bindings. Use whichever action appears on your screen when you press the shortcut, then continue. Once that's done, take a moment to repeat any shortcut you plan to use daily so it becomes second nature. Search symbols with Control or Command. +K, toggle drawings with Alt+T, undo and redo with Ctrl+Z and Ctrl+Y, save with Ctrl+S and load with the period key, zoom with Ctrl+up and down, vertically scroll by holding. Shift and scrolling, open the order panel with Shift+T, execute market buys and sells with Shift+B and Shift+S. Place limit buys and sells with Shift+Alt+B and Shift+Alt+S, and switch drawing tools with Alt+C, Alt+D, Alt+E, and Alt+T. Your TradingView shortcuts and keyboard shortcuts are now set, demonstrated, and working for faster charting and faster order entry. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.